Good morning, students. Students, this lesson is for class 5 for the subject of computers. Topic Moving a sprite, which is covered in chapter 6 starting on page number 74 of your textbook titled KIPS Logics 5 and is being submitted to you on 25th of January year 2021. This voice is of Rupinder Kaur. All the students may now please open page number 74 in front of them. I hope all the students are ready for today's lesson. Let us start with the topic. Moving a sprite. Students, moving a sprite means to give motion to a sprite. If you want to move the sprite in circular motion, then follow these steps and also follow figure 6.7 present in your book on page number 75. Number 1. Open Scratch window. Number 2. Click on Move 10 steps block and drag it to script area. Now change number from 10 to 20. Number 3. Click on Turn 15 degrees block. Drag this and place below the Move 20 steps block as shown in figure 6.7. Number 4. Keep clicking on any block in the scripts area. Number 5. You will observe that sprite is moving 20 steps forward and 15 degrees in circular motion. Know about motion blocks. Students, we have used 2 motion blocks in the project. These are number 1. Move 20 steps. Students, this will move sprite 20 steps in forward direction and by typing -20 will move sprite 20 steps in backward direction. Number 2. Turn 15 degrees. Students, the symbol will move sprite in clockwise direction and this symbol will move the sprite in anti-clockwise direction. Drawing a colorful circle. Students, pen block menu will help you to draw a colorful circle as shown in the figure 6.8. Know about pen block. Students, before drawing the circle, you need to know the pen blocks used in the project. Number 1. Pen down. This block will draw a line when the sprite will move. Step 2. Set pen size to 1. This will set the thickness of pen. Number 3. Change pen color by 10. This will change the color of the pen. Making a duplicate copy of sprite. To create a duplicate copy of the sprite, stamp block is used as shown in figure 6.9. Follow the given steps for creating copies of sprite. Number 1. Drag out the blocks from motion and pen blocks palette. Number 2. Snap the blocks together onto the script area. Number 3. Change the values of blocks. Number 4. Click on any block to create the duplicate copy of sprite. Number 5. You will observe when the sprite reaches to the edge of the stage, it will bounce back and will change its direction. Adding sound. Students, with the help of sound block menu, you will be able to add sound in the project. Follow figure 6.10 and the given steps for adding sound. Number 1. Drag out the blocks and stack them on top of each other as shown in figure 6.10. Step 2. Click on Script to play the project. You will be able to hear different sounds like cat sound or drum beats. Know more about sound blocks. Number 1. Play sound meow until done. This sound will work in blank box. The script will pause until the sound has finished playing. Number 2. Play drum 48 for 0.2 beats. This block will play a drum sound for a specified number of beats. You can change the value of beats also. Students, all of you may now take 3 minutes break. During break time, please give answers for these easy questions. And the questions are: question number 1. Pen down block is used for which purpose? Question 2. Which sign will help the sprite to move to the backward direction? Question 3. Which block is used to create a duplicate copy of sprite? Now, pause this lesson for 3 minutes. Students, 3 minutes break is over now. Let me give you answers first for the questions. And the answers are: Answer 1. For drawing lines. Answer 2. Minus sign. Answer 3. Stamp block. Students, next topic is present on page number 78 in the book. Saving a Scratch project. With the help of given steps, you will save a Scratch project. Number 1. Click on File tab. Then Save option. Number 2. Save project dialog box will appear. Number 3. Choose location for saving and give name for the project. Number 4. Click on Save button. It will be saved. Opening a saved project. Students, you will follow these steps to open any saved project. Number 1. Click on File tab. Then click Open option. Number 2. The Open project dialog box will appear. Number 3. Select the project. Number 4. Click on Open button. The selected project will open in Scratch window. Children, now I am ending the lesson here. Please read the lesson carefully and try to solve these questions A, B, D and E present on page number 79, 80 and 81. Thank you.